Yeah. Scotchgo can't spell. I spelled Caesar wrong. So we want to change that A and the E, the position of those two. So you edit with the type tool, but watch, this gives me a chance to show you something cool. You got the black arrow, you want to edit, put your cursor where you want to edit and double click. Now you have the insertion point. And I can hit delete twice and then AE. And now, when I go back to the black arrow, we've got everything spelled right. And we want to change this. We got upper and lowercase. This is going to look better if it were all caps. Now we could retype this, but why? Let's work smart. Under type, change case, we can change this to uppercase, which means all caps. And gets too big, so I'm going to go ahead and take this down about 180. And now we're set for the next video where we go ahead and choose our typeface.